Hi everyone, welcome back to Edo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Google Pixel 3a XL mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. At first, turn on the phone and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heat gun. Alternatively, you can use a heat pad or hair dryer around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Carefully work around on the edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to fill the LCD screen. In between, insert a plastic upright tool and gently cut the adhesive around. Lift the screen gradually and disconnect the connector plug by undoing 2 screws and removing the shield. There is an adhesive strip on top of the connector. It is missing from this device. If you have the sticky, peel it off and place it while connecting the LCD screen. Next, take out the mid-frame plate by undoing 15 screws, and then by using a plastic upright tool or triangular picker, move around the phone to release the mid-frame clips. Next, on the body, first remove the SIM tray, and then disconnect the battery connector, and followed by disconnecting 6 more connectors in the board. Next, loosen the screw and take out the long bracket on the right edge. Next, gently turn off the logic board and take out the broken back camera and front camera from the board. To take out the rear camera, you don't need to take out the logic board or loosen all connections. Next, replace the broken front or rear camera with a new unit and place it on the board. Next, place the logic board on the body and secure it by adding the screw. Next, place the logic board on the body and secure it by adding the screw. Next, place the logic board on the body and secure it by adding the screw. Next, place the logic board on the body and secure it by adding the screw. Next, secure 6 plugs into the board, including the bracket, and also connect the battery plug to the logic board. Next, place the mid frame by adding 15 screws. Next, place the LCD screen on the body and then connect the LCD plug and add the shield by inserting 2 screws, and also the tape which we don't have but you may. Before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided LCD adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie the LCD screen with the body. Leave it for some time and remove it. On the other hand, you can use rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.